what if it's not a Benz? Still a carry companions.
So what TV for entertainment? So what if we can buy juice? We just go back to the roots.
You see when you eat that?
So guys, currently I'm in Walmart, right, looking at some fishing gears because I intend to do some fishing on the channel. Right, so I just want to get a few things. You guys will see me doing some fishing in a few videos. So check it out. That comes from Rosa Parks. One more time, you must never be fearful about what you're doing when it's right. That's some good motivation right there. You know, if it feels right, you're doing the right thing, that's what it's all about. Don't be fearful of that. As we kick off a motivational kind of day today, we have some entertainment news. We'll do a recap of the Oscars, news on Ariana Grande, and more all on the way. And these are some of the items that I bought in Walmart. The rod, the reel, and some other things. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan and today I'm out with my friend Big Wild Bear. Yes, we'll try to see if we can catch some fish. Now for those of you who have not checked out Big Wild Bear channel, let's go over there, gone fishing with Big Wild Bear, right? Has some very good fishing content. Let's check him out, support him as usual, right? So we're gonna try and see if can catch a couple fish today. Yeah man. So what TV, gone fishing with Big Wild Bear. Stay tuned guys. Alright, so these are the live baits using today. Right. Big Wild Bear get some sprats. Yeah. So we use a couple of these so I can
it's
go.
It's not really right one still. The one and then called bang.
Oh, it's a bang.
Yeah, bang are the right one. Bang fish them love.
Oh, okay.
But this can go and use the time here.
Yeah. Guys, and we also try some dead baits as well.
Yeah, so them are expert.
Sprats. And we have some shrimp. So I'm gonna rig up and so I can go on for we. See if we can catch something. Tomorrow is Sunday, you know. I'm gonna try and cast out this lure, see what's going on out there. So guys, I enjoy fishing to the point where even if I don't catch anything, Definitely come back. You can see how that lure swims real good. So my friends, this is my setup. It's an ugly stick, 8-foot rod, comes in 2 pieces with a pen pursuit 6000 reel. That's a reel there, a very nice reel. So that is my setup, that's what I'm using today. I haven't caught anything as yet, but I'm still hoping and I'm still enjoying myself. Yeah man. So I'm gonna set him up back now and cast a bait so we can catch. Fish on people. Cast a big rod there, reeling in something. This is a piper. Nice size. This morning I was asking him, where are the big pipers?
Alright, you see which part end up on the end of the rod. On the end of the fishing rod then there, you see it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Well caught. Well caught.
This is the rod I'm going to buy for lure fishing. See there's a live bait I put off on it. 10-pound test line and a 15-pound leader line. It's a very light sinker meal. Live bait. Have fun. Yeah. So I'm out. This is it.
Well caught,
First
man.
one, man.
Yeah, man. Good catch.
Yeah, man.
Right, my fisherman friend, big wall beer. Lovely catch, man. Lovely catch. Yeah. Just throw the line out and right away and get a bite. Just over 3 pounds. Nice size piper. Yeah, people. So as you can see, guys, as we change location, big wall beer catch something real nice. Yeah, man. So I have 2 more rods set up on the beach. Let's see what else you can grab in there. That's the first one on the line. I don't catch anything yet, but I enjoy fishing. Whether I catch a fish or not catch a fish, just being out here, beautiful. Big up art, man. Yeah, man. Jamaica shore fishing. You understand? Jamaica anglers. All our fisherman channel them out here. So what TV has a big up, man. See hard work on have to put in to entertain people. You know, some people don't understand that this thing is not easy. But when you get to come out, you have to appreciate the hard work where YouTubers them were doing fishing. Yeah, man. And not easy. But still a lot of fun.
This looks like bait for half an hour. One of them right there. I can sneak in it, take it off of it. But cooler is just a small one. Watch on the row a big one. Show that row a big. Fish row. Like that.
Got the fish. Clean them out now. From early. Nice fish. So we just clean them up. Cast the line again. So people,
Alright, come on.
big wall beer just burst, just that video when the line burst. Burst the line. Man, missed that one. Another piper. Gone. Next time round, we'll go again. Yeah guys, so out here for approximately 5 hours. Right. Catch a big piper. A snapper escape. Right. And another big piper burst the line. But it has come to that time, you know. It was a fun day out in the sun and the sea. Fishing. You see it? You have fun in the sun today as well. Yeah man, so yeah man, we have to give thanks. We never put nothing out here, so we give thanks for what we get. Right, it was a lot of fun. Really enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to it next time. I understand. So until next time guys, Ryan from So What TV saying, so when the fisherman said that is up $1,200 a pound, understand, fishing not easy. Yeah man, what good guys.